Hey guys, good evening and welcome back again to your Unacademy Neet English channel. I hope all of you are doing great, having a good time. So my dear students, as you would have seen the title, that is block strategy. You must be thinking what this block strategy exactly is all about. First of all, I have seen a lot of students completing their syllabus once, and when it comes to the revision, they take the chapters randomly, right? They take some chapter of the physics, some of the chapter of the chemistry, some of the chapter of the biology for the revision. Randomly, they select the chapters and do the revision, which is one of the ineffective way of doing the revision. So I thought to make one particular video in which I shall be letting you know the proper sequence of all the chapters which you shall be considering while doing the revision, which is super important when it comes to your NEET 2025 preparation. If you want to score 680 plus, my dear students, you have to follow the chapters in the sequence that I'm going to give you in the today's session, in this particular block strategy. So watch this particular video till the end if you really want to get a good score when it comes to the NEET 2025 examination. Before going into the block strategy, well, I believe all of you would be knowing that tomorrow we have got a marathon scheduled on this particular channel in which I will be doing complete inorganic chemistry. It is going to be a mega marathon of 10 to 12 hours in which I shall be doing a complete inorganic chemistry with you from the basics itself. The session starts exactly at 11 a.m. tomorrow. So be there on time. Okay. Now, people, as I told you, when it comes to the revision purpose, when it comes to the revision particularly, I must say students take the chapters randomly, but you are not going to take the chapters randomly. What exactly you'll be doing? My dear students, here I've created three blocks. Block 1, Block 2 and Block 3. Block 1 contains 40 to 50% of your syllabus, right? Similarly, Block 2 also contains some 20 to 30% of your syllabus, and the remaining percentage of the syllabus is present in Block 3. Okay? More the number of times you are going to do these blocks, better is going to be your rank. And what are these blocks exactly? Let's try to understand. See guys. First of all, this block strategy you guys are going to follow row-wise. What is meant by that? My dear students, for example, you're starting with row 1. So first of all, your priority should be to complete these particular chapters which are present in row 1. For example, here you have got Newton's law of motion, fluids, right? Electrostatics. Then comes your electrochemistry in chemistry. Then comes your chemical bonding, human reproduction, reproductive health. So this comes in your row 1. So your first priority should be to complete the chapters which are present in row 1. Okay. Then you are going to jump into row 2. Which involves your modern physics, semiconductors, right? Current, electricity, heat transfer, atomic structure, periodic classification, chemical kinetics, etc. This is your row 2. Similarly, after completing your row 2, then you will be coming into row 3. SHM, kinetic theory, thermodynamics, GOC, isomerism, coordination, right? This is your row 3. And then similarly, you'll be coming towards your row 4. Now, it's not necessary that you are going to complete one row in just one day. No. If you want to take 3 days for completing one row, take it. If you want to take 4 days, 5 days, that completely depends upon your preparation, where your preparation exactly is at this particular point of time, right? So it's not mandatory to complete all these chapters in one day itself. No, it completely depends upon you, right? If it is taking like 3 days for some students to complete, take 3 days. For some students, it might take 4 days, 5 days, 6 days. That is completely that's completely based upon your preparation. You need not to worry about that over here. Okay. But one thing you have to keep in mind, you have to follow the sequence which I have mentioned over here. And I'm pretty much sure you won't be getting these short forms over here. Well, I have kept the full forms of these in the description box of the video. Even in the comment section of this particular video, I have pinned it, wherein you can get to know all these abbreviations in detail, what exactly I mentioned over here. Because I'm pretty much sure you won't be getting what this RO is, you won't be getting what this POM is, you won't be getting what this SOA is, EVD is. I've kept all of these abbreviations in the detailed format in the comment section of this video as well as in the description box. My dear students, so again I'm repeating why I came up with this particular strategy, because The only point is you are not going to take your chapters randomly for the revision. You have to complete your revision in this particular pattern. Why? Because in every block, I have not only kept the difficult chapters. I've not only kept the easy chapters. I've not only kept the moderate chapters. In every block, you have got a mixture of moderate, difficult, easy chapters so that it will be comparatively easier for you to do the revision. Okay, and this is scientifically proven, guys. I'm telling you that. It is scientifically proven. Last year also, I have given you one block strategy like this, and students really like that, and they scored really well when it was their NEET 2024 examination. And this year, it's going to be your turn to follow this block strategy in the similar way what I'm telling you exactly. Just focus on your row first, then go to your row second, then go to your row 3, then go to your row 4. With that, your block 1 will be done and your 40 to 50% of your syllabus will be revised properly, effectively. Then you are going to jump into block 2, then you are going to jump into block 3. And once you are completing all these 3 blocks, that's not it. Again, you are going to repeat the same process. Again, you'll be doing block 1, block 2, block 3. And more the times you are going to do these blocks, better are going to be your ranks in your NEET 2025 examination for sure. Trust me on that. Okay, but follow this particular sequence of the chapters which I have given you in this particular block strategy. And I am pretty much sure by following this, automatically you will see your results in the mock test. They will definitely be improving, right, when you write the mock test. Perfect. So my dear students, again, the abbreviations, the full forms of all these short forms I have kept in the comment section of the video as well as in the description box of the video. Just check that out so that you'll get to know what exactly these short forms are all about in different particular subjects. Okay, so this was a block strategy which you guys are going to remember, you guys are going to follow so that your revision will be done in the very, very, very effective manner. Okay, and at the same time, tomorrow you guys are going to join me exactly at 11 a.m. And in the tomorrow session, we are going to complete your inorganic chemistry in one mega marathon, which will be there for 10 to 12 hours. Exactly from the basics, I shall be covering all the topics which are there in your inorganic chemistry in detailed manner. So join me tomorrow exactly at 11 a.m. Till then, you take care. God bless you all and love you all, guys. Bye-bye.